In this video, we are going to learn how you can get WhatsApp message for Office R&D new members. So whenever a new member is created in your workspace management software application, that is Office R&D, automatically the same member details will be shared on your WhatsApp number or on your admin WhatsApp number as a new message. For that, you need to integrate Office R&D with WhatsApp. So here your trigger application would be Office R&D and your action application would be WhatsApp. So how you can integrate both these software applications using Pabbly Connect? For that you need to come to my screen. To get WhatsApp message for Office R&D new member, first we need to log into pabbly.com. This is the website of Pabbly. Now here we can find two options, sign in, sign up free. If you are a new user, you have to simply click on sign up for free button and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes and you're going to get free task every month. If you're already a user of Pabbly Connect, simply sign in. From the All Apps section, access Pabbly Connect. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, click on this plus sign, create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Get WhatsApp message for Office R&D new member. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on Create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this particular use case, we want that whenever a new member is created in our Office R&D account, automatically a WhatsApp message should be received to the admin on his mobile number. So for that, first we need to integrate Office R&D with Pabbly Connect. So open this trigger window and here choose the application name as Office R&D. Select the trigger event as new member. Now here we can see a webhook URL and some instructions. So by following these instructions, you can just integrate Office R&D with Pabbly Connect. So I'll just copy this webhook URL from here and I'll take you to my Office R&D account. So here we are on the community section and we are on the members section. Here you can see I have just 2 members over here. So now I want that whenever I create a new member over here in my Office R&D account, automatically the member details should be captured in Pabbly Connect. So let's integrate Office R&D with Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have to just come to settings option, click on developer tools, and here we have to click on webhooks. And here we are going to add a new webhook. For that, click on this add endpoint button. Just paste the webhook URL over here that we have copied from Pabbly Connect. Here we have to give the description. So let us give it as integration or whatever you want. Okay. And here we have to select the events to send. So here we will be selecting member created. Okay. So whenever a new member will be created, automatically using this webhook URL, the member details will be captured in Pabbly Connect. And now let's click on add. Webhook successfully saved. Okay, now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see that it is waiting for the webhook response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to create a new member in our Office R&D account. So let's move to Office R&D once again. Here we'll be moving to community and click on members. And here we are going to just create a new member. Let's give the member name as demo member. Let's select the company as Confab over here. I'm just giving the member email address over here. Let's add the phone number. I don't have the Twitter account details, so I'm just leaving the field as blank. If you want to specify some bio, you can just give it over here. I'm just checking this contact person and the status as auto. Okay. And as I'm not having the address details also, I'm just leaving these field as blank. And now let's click on add. Member added successfully. So here we have to just refresh it and we can find the new member details. Okay. And here we can find that a new member is created over here. That is demo member. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see that the response is received and all the details of the new member are captured over here. We can find the event type as member created. Here we can find the data object status as active, phone number of the member. Here we can find the name of the member. And when we scroll down, we can find the email address of the member also. So all the details are captured over here. Now we want to send a WhatsApp message to the admin on his WhatsApp number that a new member is created in your Office R&D account. And for that, we need to integrate WhatsApp with Pabbly Connect. So simply scroll down and come to this action window. Choose the application name as WhatsApp Cloud API. Select the action event as send template message. Now click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection. And now here it is asking for the token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. And to get all these details, you have to just create a new WhatsApp Cloud API account. So how you can create a new WhatsApp Cloud API account, for that we have created a separate dedicated video. The link is attached in the description box. You can watch the video and you can create a new WhatsApp Cloud API account for yourself. So I'll just take you to my account, and here you can see I have logged in from developers.facebook.com, and here I am just going to click on my apps. Now here you have to just create a new app by clicking on this create app button. So I have already created some apps over here. So I'm just going to access this My Connect message app. And here on the left hand side, we can find WhatsApp option. Click on it and click on getting started. And now here we can find temporary access token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So you have to simply copy these details and you have to paste in Pabbly Connect and click on save to create a new connection. But here I want to specify you that this is a temporary access token and this token will expire in 23 hours. So if you're using this token to create a connection, then your workflow will stop working in a day. So I would recommend you to generate a permanent access token to create a connection in Pabbly Connect. So how you can create a permanent access token, how you can generate it, for that also we have created a separate dedicated video. The link is attached in the description box. You can just watch the video and you can generate a permanent access token by yourself. So I have already created a connection over here in Pabbly Connect using my credentials. So I'm just going to use my previous credentials. And now let's click on save. And now the WhatsApp Cloud API account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select a template. So template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number. As we cannot send the messages directly on WhatsApp, first we need to create a template. We have to get it approved from Facebook. And once the template is approved, then only the same template can be used for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So I'll take you to my WhatsApp Cloud API account once again. And here you can see to create your own message template, click here. So I'm just going to click on this hyperlink. And here you can see I have created several templates and got it approved. If you want to create a new template, simply click on this create template button. And how you can create a new template, for that also we have created a separate dedicated video. The link is attached in the description box. You can watch the video and you can just create a new template as per your requirement. So here we are going to search for the template that we have already created and get it approved. That is member updates. Okay, so in this way I have drafted a message. I'll just show you. Hi admin, a new member is added to Office R&D. Details. Here I'll be giving name, email address and phone number of the member who is created in our Office R&D account. So I've given number 1, 2 and 3 in the curly braces. So these are the body fields and the values of these body fields are going to change every time. Okay, here you can see the message, details, the member name will be given over here, his email address, and along with that the phone number will also be mentioned to the admin. So here we are going to use this template, that is member updates in Pabbly Connect. So let us search for the same template, that is member updates. Now the language code and the template ID is automatically captured. So we are not going to make any changes. Now here it is asking for the recipient mobile number to whom you want to send the WhatsApp message. So we want to send the WhatsApp message to admin. So here I'll be giving the WhatsApp number of my admin. Okay, and that I'm giving manually. Okay, so I have added 91 to the mobile number as it was the country code, and here it is mentioned in the instruction also, enter the recipient mobile number with country code and without the plus sign. So as we are in India, I have added India's country code and I have not given the plus sign before the mobile number. And remember, here you have to add the WhatsApp number of the person to whom you want to send the WhatsApp message. Okay. Now here it is asking for the body field 1, that is member name. So we have already got all the details of the member from our trigger response over here. So now we are going to map all these details. Okay. For mapping, simply scroll down, click it over here, come to the trigger response, that is Office R&D response, and from the drop down we are going to find the member name. In the same way, we'll be mapping the email address, and at last we'll be mapping the phone number. So why we have mapped the details over here? Just because next time whenever a new member will be created, automatically the new member details will be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. That is the reason we have to map the details over here. Okay. And now let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received. It means the message is delivered to your admin. Let's check it. And here we have got a new message. Hi admin, a new member is added to Office R&D. Details, name, demo member, his email address and the phone number. Now the things to note are the body fields and their values. So here we can see that a new member name was demo member. This was his email address and this was his phone number, which is mentioned correctly over here. And in this way, our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. So as we have set up an automation, this is a one-time process. Next time, whenever a new member will be created in your Office R&D account, automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent to the admin regarding all the new member details. So now we are going to check this in the real time that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, let's move to Office R&D account once again, and here let us add a new member. Let's give the member name as dummy member this time. Company name as Confab. Let's give the email address as dummy@pablitudes.com. Let's add the phone number. I don't have the Twitter account details, so I'm just leaving these fields as blank. Status as contact this time. And now let's click on add. Member added successfully. Now let us check whether the admin has received any WhatsApp message or not. Okay, and here we have got a new message. Hi admin, a new member is added to Office R&D account. Details, name as dummy member this time, email address as dummy@pablitudes.com, and here we have got the phone number of the member. So here we can see that a new member details are received to the admin on his WhatsApp number. And in this way, our integration is perfectly working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And now I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Office R&D and Pabbly Connect so that whenever a new member is created, automatically the member details are captured. And then we have shared the same member details with our admin on his WhatsApp number. And in this way, we have learned that how we can get WhatsApp message for Office R&D new member using Pabbly Connect. Thank you.
So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case you have any queries, you can just post your queries at Pabbly Forum. Our team will surely get back to you. This is our Pabbly Connect website, and to know the latest updates and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is pabbly.connect. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is attached in the description box. You can clone this workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.